right. So I'm going to start with a new project. It's opening on the other screen. Sweet. All right, and I'm going to download a random sample. Actually, I'm going to generate my random name first. So I have a snippet that generates a random name. So I'll paste that in there. Classy Clover. So I'll create that live set. And then over in my terminal, I have a sample by name, and I'll paste that in there. And this will grab, that'll search YouTube for Classy Clover, grab it, and strip an MP3 from the first result. That's less than 4 minutes. Like, I didn't want a super long one. So I have no idea what this MP3 is going to be, and hopefully I can get some sweet, sweet samples out of it. But who knows? Let's see here. So just going to drag that in. Sometimes it's beach balls as it's generating the ASD file. Give that a second. All right. Yeah, it never likes the first try. Second try is a charm? Nope. Third try is the charm. Fourth try is the charm. There we go, fourth try. We'll move this to the top since we're grabbing our samples from this. Again, I have no idea what's in here. Hopefully it's something usable. So, whoa, sounds like music of some sort. That'll be interesting. Won't be a lot of separation between the sounds, but that is what we got, so we'll work with it. So a lot of crowd noise. Super echoey stuff. How long is this thing? All right, well, this looks like it has the most potential. Something like yeah, we'll try about right there. I'm gonna grab that and bring it into form. All right. So form can take these samples and play them in any direction. And all right, so load that in. All right, let's let's play around with this here. Start it around here. That's weird how it kicks up so high. Like the pitch curve really jumps. There's almost a groove in there. Let's try and edit one in though. Insert right. And we'll zoom out on this. I'll put this towards the BPM. Flip this one. Drop it a bit. There's just not much there. I don't like that. Maybe we just do a few of these and structure a sequence out of it. So try something like this. Flip that. I'm really gonna have to mess with this sound to make it sound anything like anything useful. Huh. Let's go cut out some of those highs. It's like it wants to find a groove. Let's shape it a bit. That's super glitchy. Try driving it. Is that even musical? It's so weird. It's almost got something. Let's mess around with bringing the highs back. Bring some width to this. Yeah. All right. Well. Sound's not working too well, but might as well put something down with it. Let's do a bit bigger. Oops. So something like that. So we need to turn on the loop. Looping. We want the loop to go all the way. Yeah, loop to go all the way through the sample. That's in the curve editor. There we go. And definitely take off some of that. Let's bring the gain down a little bit. You know, I bet the LFO on that might sound good. Let's invert that. Slow it down to 1.5. Sure. Why not? Be Decisive is something I'm working on. I wish I had a better something to find a kick from, because I want to make a kick drum next. But not seeing a lot of. What's this right here? Sure, let's try it. And we'll go ahead and create our drum rack. And drop that in here. Definitely way too long for one. Let's play with my keyboard. And let's see. Definitely fade it out. Add that pitch envelope that all things with transients have. 12. And we'll start dropping it down the spectrum. So here we go. Rumble. Way too long. Actually, let's try it from here. 7. Bring in the drum bus. Audio effects. And crank up the transient here. That's still just too long. All right. It's not terrible for now. Let's add just some kicks here. So we'll go here and see what these sound like together. Definitely want to compress these. Make that bigger. Hey, Ben. Side chain in the kick from the drum rack. And oops, loop this section. That pitch is kicking too high in the kick. So let's look at that. Wow, interesting. It's always crazy to me how much that pitch envelope affects the sound of the kick. What software do I use? Yeah, this is Ableton. All right, so let's try and make a snare. Let me keep a better eye on the chat. Bring these both down. All right, snare time. So let's find. Snare is mostly white noise with that initial pitch up. That should be fine. Something like that. And I can dial in on that. So then in the drum rack, I'm going to bring this one down to D1. So I can play that with my keyboard. And for an octave. Whoops. That doesn't sound like a snare at all, but again, that pitch envelope can really help there. And then erosion for white noise. Erosion. Let's make sure we're at a good frequency for this. So, all right, let's tune it up a little bit. Too short now? Drum bus before the erosion. We'll start with that, see where that gets us. So we're here. Turn the keyboard off. That's a dumb snare. So let's get back into it. Bring it down. Just trying different warp modes on this. Great. Tune that a bit more. Frequency. Here. As always, the glue compressor can help these two work together. Maybe help all three of these work together. So there and there. Can duplicate all of these. Duplicate all those. Play it through a little bit. You should go for more of a let's loop this. Oops. Drum rack. And make the grid bigger. Right about there should be fine. Loop this. The hi-hat in there as well. That'll help bring a rhythm to it for sure. So go back here and find a sample from this. Pretty much anything will work. We'll try that. Back in my drum rack. Here. Let's play this with the key. See where this is at. These are always much higher than I think they are. Yeah, so like 5,000 or so. That's what we're looking for. Audio effects. As long as the sample is, we can make this longer. Or just guess at a random sample. That's pretty much, sample's just noise essentially. That might work all right. And bring it up even higher. Let's see. That's closer. Let's try that. Come back in here, and we'll just put on every beat here. might be too high for me. Let's bring it back down just a tiny bit. And the beauty of sometimes OTT will just fix everything, so might as well try that. Alrighty. So with that in place, we'll stick with that beat for a bit. Be decisive, be decisive. All right. Hey, Joe. Good to see you, man. All right. So if I can... Joe, I'm pulling samples from this nonsense. I picked a random track from YouTube, and it just turned out to be stadium noise. So unfortunately, all I have is this, which is really hard to pull samples from. I wish I had someone talking at least. So yeah, I'm just trying to turn that into stuff, into drums and synths and everything. Anyway, that's where I'm at. Where's that noise coming from? The drum rack? Something's... Fifth Avenue? Nice. I hope you get some good sirens or car horns and all that stuff. I'm going to try and create a something I can use for some plucks, like arpeggiator style stuff. Yeah, there was hiss coming out of the drum rack. I'm not sure what. I'll track it down if it happens again. I kind of like this little bit here. Let's go into Form is like my favorite plugin. Where you can like edit the curve of the way it plays through the sample and repeats and loops and everything. It's great. Let's see. Bring the format down. Let's see. This is already pretty plucky. Bad. Let's emphasize some of the highs. Yeah. I can't remember the theme. Let's do a little soft reverb. Let's start with that. One thing I'm trying to do is be more decisive and make more mixes rather than spending forever on a single sample. So I'm trying to stop myself before lingering on something. drag that down and just simply arpeggiate on it. Let's see what it sounds like first. Let's take that all up. Well, let's focus on a single 4 bars there. Up an octave. And then it's not too bad. Pinky up down. How come that didn't change? Ooh, I like that better. Let's see how that fits in. Yeah, that hiss is from the drum rack. So what's that? What is still playing? Did I leave a reverb or something on here? It's not that one. It's the bass. Yeah, it's the bass. What am I doing in the bass? Is it the drum bus? It is. Something about the boom added that hiss. Alrighty. Let's create a lead instrument of some sort. I think I can pretty much reuse this, but play with the sample some more. So delete all of this. Then let's do one of these. That's smaller. Bring it down here and do. Whoops. Oh, that's, sorry, not duplicate. Duplicate this way. Alright, that'll give us something to work with. And can make a melody out of that somehow. It's a really short sample. I don't know if I'm going to get much out of it if I leave it that short. Huh. I wonder. I like that. Maybe if this was wide. Kind of helps move the song along. You can chop these up some more. Select all of them and do this. Create a rhythm there. Ooh, maybe do that. This is feeling to my face. Oops. That'll work. Not sold on the synth sound we got though. So let's go back to that. Go. A bit fuller sound. I can like that. All right. Curious what it is. I'm still hearing. Still hearing that hiss sometimes. Bass. Alrighty. And we can probably automate some of this stuff in. We'll call this pads. This is ARP. This is lead. Drums. And then we can bring this into that group. We can do some automation on it, some classic auto filter. And bring that down. There we go. Auto filter. Usually detects that. filter type. Why isn't it detecting what I'm doing and selecting it in the group there? Oh well. Frequency. Start nice and low and bring everything in. Way too low. A bit lower. And those pads. I wonder if I should just get rid of the fifth on these. Oops, that was the wrong. Here's the pads. Yeah, well, that's really harmonicking through. What's the resonance on the filter here? Oops. That's something I don't understand. Let's make this a baseline. I think that sounds like there's a bunch of resonance coming through. And I think that's from the bass. But honestly, not sure what to do about that right now. Probably just starting that way too low. Hi, Jason. This bass needs something. It is not doing it for me. That's my phone. That sample has so much noise. Let's do one of these. The bass is begging to be sidechained. It is just not enough. At least I thought it was. Drop it all the way down. Yeah, maybe it. This is the release. I'm gonna be brave and YOLO and swap out the sample on that. You don't even hear that bass. That's funny. Let's just. So the sample I'm starting with, Jason, is this nonsense. It's just like crowd noise. I was trying to do random samples, and I turned out to get the absolute worst possible sample that I could, but I told myself I'd stick with it. And I'm trying to make instruments from it, and that's what I have so far, so. Yeah, it's going fine. I've been basically picking parts at random since it's just stadium noise. Hashtag YOLO. That's fine for now. This song isn't unless I work some miracle. Sweet little melody here though. And let's do a little part here where it's just the pads and the ARP. Maybe like 8 bars of that. And work on this for a second. Maybe a little chord change. try something like this. Crowd noise at the breakdown for energy. Yeah, I guess I could just bring in crowd noise and hype it up and like pitch it up to go into the next part. So D, G, D, A. Let's go D, G, D. See how this sounds. Not great. It's too happy. That's kind of fun. Can live with that. D, probably D, A, C, D. I'll try that on the bass. Sebastian, I'm using Ableton here. D, A. That'll work. I'm curious what if I just grab some random crowd noise per Jason's suggestion. Create a new track and split that out. Bring that right. Oh, I need 8 bars of this. That's so loud. Go like super, let's see. And just automate the transpose on that. Why is my automation detecting what I'm moving? Let's see. Mixer, track volume. Can make that work somehow. Put this into, it's going to just put a frequency on it and do fine adjustment rather than putting in a sampler or something. Frequency shifter. There we go. And then automate the frequency shifter course. So we'll start there and oh, looks like I missed a bar. Reconsolidate this. I have to add some wicked space on this. Good old risers. Just keep a kick going. This has to be sidechain for sure. Compression. And we'll do that before the verb. Drums. So we put that. And my kick really needs to come out there. Let's try the hi-hats in there. I think if I add some like a MIDI effect to make those not so robotic. some sort of hit with a bunch of reverb on it there. So let's do a simpler and find something with a bit stabby sound in here. Sure. It's not too bad, just that on a G. We can fade that out. One shot. Fade out. Tons of reverb, maybe even some. Let's add that pitch envelope that plucks it. Sure, why not? That's too loud though. Where's that section? Oops. Yeah, let's do some delay on that as well. It's a fun sound. Sounds a little sharp. curious if I can find some interesting rhythm or something from this bass. Let's just delete that. Loop and solo this. Actually gonna freeze and flatten this. And add movement. This is Ableton that I'm using right now. Let's change up the ARP on this as well. Freeze this track. And so this can be ARP2. This is bass 2. And I just want to try diverge. That groove kind of gets lost with the drums. Let's try to remove the kick from here. Consolidate all those, delete this. Come on, open faster. There we go. Flux. Yeah, Jason, I think it's all right. Not like happy with it, but I'm committed to it, sort of thing. Um, Probably like most of the software I write. I just wish I had better samples of like people saying things or an instrument or something that. Um, but I set rules and constraints because that's the mother of invention, and you know how it goes. I'm gonna add a utility on that as well. Have it start silently. Or actually, I'm gonna fade this in here. There we go. Bring these over. Then probably bring these in one last time. There. One last jam through everything. And bring this over. I think this is it. Listen through it one time through. I made it to 2 minutes. Actually, I'm going to drop the mastering tool I have on it. Ozone, master. And then just as a demonstration, this is what I started with, just a bunch of crowd noise. So stuff like that. And then this is what we ended with. Is this kind of a song? Give credit to Jason for inspiring me to do a riser right here with crowd noise. And that's it for me. If you tuned in, thanks for watching. And see you later.